Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the stunning grid background for your videos on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this grid here and I'm going to go to the effects section. You're just going to search for ripple distortion, which is under the distortion tab. Then you're going to use it. I'm just going to select the effect and I'm just going to place it in the video like so. You can adjust the blur and the rest of the stuff up here. Whoops. Here in effects, you can adjust the blur, the twist, the strength even, the sharpen here, the size, and the speed. I'm just going to make this a little bit longer. Just a twist here. Just adjust it how you like it. Then go to media and add your video. For instance, I'm just going to go to cutout and I'm going to select auto cutout. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!